Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to connect Android phone to Windows. So if you have a Samsung phone and you want to connect it to Windows, you can use Samsung DeX. So Samsung DeX is available for Samsung's S series phone, S series, Samsung Note series, and some tabs, the latest versions of them. So as I don't have that series of my phone in my phone so I'm going to show the steps here you'll need. So the first thing is using phone link. Open the phone link app and sign in with your Microsoft account and download the link to Windows app. And you can use a QR code or code from PC app to pair the devices. You can configure which notification to display, start when the PC starts, and the other features. Second one is using a USB cable. Connect your phone to your PC with a USB cable and choose file transfer when prompt to USB connection and drag and drop the files between your phone and PC. The last one is using Bluetooth. So this is a way from back. We used to do this when we were kids, but it still works that you have to go to the enable your Bluetooth and on both devices and make sure your Android device is discoverable on your PC. Choose Android device and follow on-screen instructions to pair the devices. Open the file transfer window on your PC and drag and drop the files between your phone and PC. So yeah, these are the 3 ways with which you can connect or link your phone with your PC. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.